I don't really have an answer why Mount Vernon, other than we were just looking online and it was about as far out of Dallas as we probably wanted to be. And I am not a fan of the big city. I just don't like it. And I just like the feel of small town. It's slow, it's laid back.
When Greg and I moved here, I really didn't understand what it meant to live in a small town. It was really just luck of the draw that we found Mount Vernon. It dawned on me that when you live in a small town, you have the chance to be a part of something that's bigger than yourself. And I think sometimes in a big city, not that I was lost before, but now even the tiniest things make a huge impact on a small town. You know, if I were to open up a coffee shop in, you know, Dallas, it wouldn't even show up on the radar. But you open up a coffee shop in a town of 3,000 people, and now all of a sudden you've given them a place to gather, you've given them a place to meet and talk and hang out and have a sense of community, and that's powerful.
When we came here, this was a tired little town. You're seeing, when you go to downtown, you see the new and revamped Mount Vernon. When we came here, it was dying. We had a couple people in town who decided they wanted to try to make a difference, and then of course we jumped in there and put our efforts into it. It just took a few people believing in the town to restore it and get it going back to in the direction. It's coming around.
The Ostertags and a couple of other families decided that Mount Vernon was worth saving, and so they started pouring love and money and energy into our downtown area, and it has created sort of an avalanche of progress.
I think the thing for me that makes restoration not more important than new construction, but at least more special, is that, you know, these old buildings and these old homes, these old commercial hot spots have so much history in them and so many stories. And I don't know, there's something of value in that. And I think there's some things that are worth saving.